Hey everyone, today I'm going to share a few words about experiential learning. Experiential learning is the idea that experience are generated through our ongoing interaction and engagement with the world around us, and learning is an inevitable product of experience. Experiential learning is equivalent to personal change and growth. Rogers feels that all the human beings have a natural prosperity to learn. The role of the teacher is to facilitate such learning. It includes setting a positive climate for learning, clarifying the purpose of the learners, organizing and making available learning resources, balancing intellectual and emotional component of learning, and sharing the feelings and thoughts with learners but without dominating them. According to Roger, learning is facilitated when the students participate completely in the learning process and has control over its nature and direction. It is primarily based upon direct confrontation with practical, social, personal, or research problem, and also self evaluation is the principal method of assessing progress or success. Roger also emphasized that the importance of learning to learn and an openness to change according to the need. Thank you.